for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, bucket seats, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.